Hey y'all, Sky here. Welcome back to another DJI Neo video. And within this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to power on and how to power off the DJI Neo. Great question. Keep those questions and comments coming, and I'll continue to post video responses to your questions. So this is how to power on DJI Neo and how to power off DJI Neo. Great question, and a lot of people are like, man, this is a dumb question. No questions are dumb, and this is a very common question. Thank you for everyone that have taken the time to ask. So how do you power it on and off? How do you power on and power off DJI Neo? So first thing you want to do is take off your camera protector. You never want to have that on when you're powering on. This button here is the power button, and this is the best way to explain it. So you do tap, tap. See? So it's a quick press, which was my tap, and then my tap. So just to re-demonstrate, it was tap and then tap. So a short press and an extended press. So how do you power off DJI Neo? Obviously DJI Neo is on now. To power off DJI Neo, tap, tap. And you can watch these lights, and then once they turn off, which they have now, DJI Neo is powered off. So I hope this video helped. Great question. You got additional questions, comment below, and I'll try to post video responses to your question or questions. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day, and as always, fly safely. And I am the drone evangelist. Always practice and preach safe and responsible drone use. And if you're shopping for the DJI Neo, the case like I use, the accessories, expand this video's description and then click the links there. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.